In my previous talk, we discussed about the equation, Einstein's equation, E equals mc square. And also I reminded you to refer to the law of conservation of energy. By the way, let me talk about the equation V equals IR and second law of thermodynamics. This is where no adrenaline comes into play because norepinephrine is used as a neurotransmitter by sympathetic ganglia located near the spinal cord or in the abdomen. Merkel cells located in the skin and into the bargain. Norepinephrine hormone has only one carbon ring versus serotonin. Having two carbon rings, meaning norepinephrine can pass current than serotonin speedily. Current passes through the nearest path unless otherwise diverted, and furthermore also when progresses over time being an isolated closed system, the adrenergic system holds norepinephrine system. Serotonergic neural system hold the database intact according to the scientific concept of entropy. Just as in gramophone discs, in the case of DVD, magnetic tape acid. That is where muscle memory, imprinted electronically in binary form in the thalamus as cell. Entropy is central to the second law of thermodynamics, which states that the entropy of an isolated system left to spontaneous evolution cannot decrease with time. As a result, isolated systems evolve towards thermodynamic equilibrium, where the entropy is highest. A consequence of the second law of thermodynamics is that certain processes are irreversible. By the way, sensory data could be embedded in the microtubules, a sort of nanotubes. In the ganglion cells and in the thalamus as well, because the action of chlorine anion becomes reverse. Therefore, voltage gated ion channels would be free to orientation of action potentials till glutamatergic transmission is developed in the brain structure of embryonic creature. When it comes to the equation V equals IR, V energy or voltage value is what? Output voltage value multiplied by input value. We will discuss in my next speech. Until then, goodbye.